All right, so this is how we open a can just with the knife. So the way that you want to do it is you want to stab it, boom, which I already did, and decided to make the video. So you got to go upwards against the edge as such. That way you get a clean cut, and then you don't get any metal inside the product. This is actually milk, so gotta be extra careful. Make sure your knife is sharp. You can use any type of knife, but I have this one. This one's pretty good. So you gotta just keep going at it. It's kind of hard, but this is a lot easier than what you would think. See, gotta just keep going at it. Kind of getting everywhere, but it'll work. I'm gonna start on the other side, but I'm right-handed, so it's easier for me to do it with the right-handed. But okay, well, look at that. I'm getting all that in there. Let me try to. It's a lot harder than it seems. I don't want to cut, because if I cut, it's gonna go inside. So what I want to do is kind of like pry it. Let me just make another hole here, and then continue. Let me just put it here. Yeah, so I made another hole. We're just gonna keep going. You kind of have to turn it, that way the angle's good. But it's working. Ideally, you want a can opener, but if this is what you got, then this is what you got. So I don't want to cut myself, have to be careful. Just a little bit more. I don't want to cut. I'm using force, maybe like this. All right, I'm just gonna continue to cut over here, see how that works. Now I'm cutting down instead of upward because it's harder, but I'm almost done. I don't want to get the scraps in there, so I'm gonna open it up. But we did it. It was a success. Now, if you need to, that's how you do it. Try to get no metal in there, but that's it. All right, guys. Well, thank you. Hit that subscribe button and the like and share. If you need you can use any type of knife. If you need a way to open up a can. Thank you. Bye.